Why aren't more people talking about fruits that fight diabetes? Let's dive into 7 surprisingly powerful fruits that can make a real difference. First up, berries. Blueberries, strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries have a low glycemic index and are packed with fiber. They improve insulin sensitivity and reduce glucose absorption. Add them to your smoothies or enjoy them with Greek yogurt. Berries are not only delicious but also versatile. You can sprinkle them on your morning cereal, mix them into your oatmeal, or even bake them into healthy muffins. Their antioxidants, such as anthocyanins, help fight inflammation and oxidative stress, which are common issues for people with diabetes. Plus, the vitamins and minerals in berries like vitamin C and manganese support overall health and well-being. So, next time you're at the grocery store, don't forget to pick up a variety of berries to keep your meals exciting and nutritious. Next, apples. With their skin on, they're a powerhouse of quercetin, pectin, and polyphenols. These compounds reduce insulin resistance and slow carbohydrate digestion. Pair an apple with some peanut butter for a balanced snack. Apples are not only convenient, but also incredibly nutritious. They are rich in dietary fiber, which helps regulate blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling full longer. The natural sweetness of apples can satisfy your sweet tooth without causing a spike in blood sugar. Additionally, apples contain vitamin C, which boosts your immune system, and potassium, which supports heart health. Whether you enjoy them fresh, baked, or in a salad, apples are a fantastic addition to your diabetes-friendly diet. Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits are up next. Their soluble fiber and naringenin act like metformin, reducing glucose absorption and improving vascular function. Eat the whole fruit for the best benefits. Citrus fruits are not only refreshing, but also packed with essential nutrients. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, which helps boost your immune system and promotes healthy skin. The fiber in citrus fruits aids in digestion and helps maintain stable blood sugar levels. Additionally, the antioxidants in citrus fruits, such as flavonoids, have anti-inflammatory properties that can benefit overall health. Enjoy citrus fruits as a snack, add them to your salads, or use their juice to flavor your dishes. The possibilities are endless. Pears, especially with their skin, have a low GI and are rich in fiber and anthocyanins. They improve gut health and provide a better glycemic response than bananas. Pears are not only delicious, but also incredibly versatile. You can enjoy them fresh, poached, or even roasted. Their natural sweetness makes them a great addition to both sweet and savory dishes. Pears are also a good source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and copper, which support overall health. The fiber in pears helps regulate digestion and keeps you feeling full, making them an excellent choice for managing diabetes. So, next time you're looking for a healthy snack, reach for a pear and enjoy its many benefits. Kiwi, both green and gold, is another gem. It has a low GI and helps reduce HbA1c levels. Eat them as a snack or blend into smoothies for a nutrient boost. Kiwis are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. They are an excellent source of vitamin C, vitamin K, and vitamin E, which support immune function, bone health, and skin health. The fiber in kiwis aids in digestion and helps regulate blood sugar levels. Additionally, kiwis contain antioxidants that help protect your cells from damage. Enjoy kiwis on their own, add them to your fruit salads, or blend them into smoothies for a refreshing and nutritious treat. Surprise! Avocados are fruits too, and they're great for blood sugar regulation. They're healthy fat, slow carb absorption, and improve insulin sensitivity. Use them as a mayo replacement or in a creamy chocolate pudding. Avocados are not only creamy and delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. They are rich in monounsaturated fats, which are heart healthy and help regulate blood sugar levels. Avocados also contain fiber, which aids in digestion and keeps you feeling full. Additionally, they are a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin C, and potassium. Enjoy avocados in salads, on toast, or as a base for creamy dressings and dips. Their versatility and health benefits make them a fantastic addition to any diet. Lastly, tart cherries. They boost insulin production and have a low GI. Tart cherry juice can improve sleep, which is crucial for glucose control. Tart cherries are not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients. They are an excellent source of antioxidants, including anthocyanins, which help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Tart cherries also contain melatonin, a hormone that regulates sleep, making them a great choice for improving sleep quality. Enjoy tart cherries fresh, dried, or as juice. You can also add them to your yogurt, oatmeal, or smoothies for a burst of flavor and nutrition. Their unique taste and health benefits make them a valuable addition to your diet. Remember, always pair these fruits with protein or fats, like nuts or yogurt, and monitor your blood glucose responses. It's important to remember that while these fruits can help manage diabetes, they should be consumed as part of a balanced diet. Pairing fruits with protein or healthy fats can help stabilize blood sugar levels and keep you feeling full longer. For example, you can enjoy berries with Greek yogurt, apples with peanut butter, or avocado with whole grain toast. Additionally, monitoring your blood glucose levels regularly can help you understand how different foods affect your body and make informed choices about your diet. By incorporating these fruits into your meals and snacks, you can enjoy their delicious flavors and health benefits while managing your diabetes effectively. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. Stay informed, stay healthy, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching, and remember to share this video with your friends and family who might benefit from these tips. Together, we can spread awareness about the importance of a healthy diet in managing diabetes. Stay tuned for more informative and helpful content, and take care of your health. See you next time.